Everyone, in today's video we will see how to fix the Samsung Galaxy Tab keyboard not working, troubleshooting, smart keyboard, Bluetooth and connection guide. So the fix one, reconnect the keyboard. So open the settings, then go to connection, then tap on Bluetooth. Then remove or forget the keyboard from the pair device list. Then put the keyboard into pairing mode and connect it again. Fix 2. Check the physical connection. Deattach the keyboard from the tablet. Clean the connector pins with a soft dry cloth. Reattach the keyboard securely and check if it's detected. Fix 3. Restart the Galaxy tab. Restart the Galaxy tab to clear the temporary software glitches. Reconnect the keyboard after the device powered back on. The fix 4. You can update the tablet software. So go to the settings, then software update, then download and install. Now install any available updates and restart the tablet. Fix 5. Set Samsung keyboard as default. So open the settings, then go to general management and then click on keyboard list and default. And select Samsung keyboard as the default input method. The fix 6. Reset keyboard setting. So navigate to the settings, then go to general management, then click on Samsung keyboard setting and choose reset to default settings and confirm. Now the fix 7. Test in safe mode. So start the tablet in safe mode, check whether the keyboard is working properly. If it does, remove recently installed app that may be causing the conflict. The fix 8. Check for hardware issue. Inspect the keyboard for physical damage. Now check for bend or dirt connector pins. Now test the keyboard with the another compatible device if available. The fix 9. Factory reset the tablet. So back up important data, then go to settings, then click on general management and then click on reset. Now click on factory data reset and complete the reset and reconnect the keyboard after setup. Goodbye.